What is good in the hood, fam and friends? Throttle Phi here, and for today's video napaka-exciting na tong episode na to, guys, kasi finally, isa sa mga pangarap kong motor at isa sa mga motor na gustong gusto ko talagang sakyan at gustong gusto ko ma-experience ay matetest natin. Pupunta tayo sa Yamaha RevZone in Lipa Batangas. Doon natin mahihiram yung unit, and we are joined today by Boss TLPH. Guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa Yamaha RevZone in Lipa, and this is their shop. So dito natin gagawin yung test ride natin. Pero ang ganda ng Yamaha RevZone Lipa. Tingnan nyo to, gagawa tayo ng mga B-rolls.
Si JR sir, yung ating pong branch manager dito sa RevZone Lipa. So under po kami ni Newmar. So meron po tayong big bike. So nakikita nyo naman po, meron din po tayong small bikes. Ay na-offer. So gusto pong mag-test ride, meron din po tayong available unit. Meron po tayong XSR 700, R7, and then T-Max po. So yung mga gusto pong mag-test ride, mag-experience yung unit before nila i-purchase, so available po tayo sa test ride unit natin. So sir, may available po tayong po tayo dyan. May spare parts po tayo. Yan po tayo ng big bike, service, and then small bike po, magkasama po yan. And then habang naghihintay po kayo, may kape po tayong available. So habang naghihintay, pwede po kayong magmerienda ng konti. Yes po, available din sa mga apparel natin. Yan, mga helmet tayo dyan, jacket. May mga top box din po tayong available. So para isang punta nyo lang po, pwede na kayong mamili kung ano yung gusto nyo bilhin. So yun, yung mga gusto po mag-purchase, big bike po and small bike, punta po kayo dito sa RevZone Lipa. Located po tayo sa Barangay Marawoy, dito po sa Lipa. Yan po, para ma-experience nyo po, tingnan nyo yung ating showroom location, para mabisita nyo po yung ating mga available na unit at saka yung mga apparel po natin.
Feel free, guys, to send them a message for further inquiries. Super bait ng staff nila dito and accommodating. Hassle-free transaction and superb customer service. So I'm sure excited na kayo na pag-usapan natin yung Yamaha R7. Before we do the test ride, let's discuss and show you what the Yamaha R7 is made of. Let's go! This is the Yamaha R7. Looking really aggressive with next generation R series design and style. Meron lang naman siyang slim na bodywork in the super sport lineup na nagbibigay ng optimal aerodynamics, handling, and agility. Litaw na litaw ang napaka-angas at iconic R-Series M-shaped intake duct and twin-eye look. Meron siyang adaptive bifunctional LED headlight. May LED element din ang front and rear turn signals at taillight. It offers a long life with minimal power draw and provides a brilliant illumination. Sa panel naman ng ride na to ay included ang conventional full digital LCD instrumentation. It informs the rider of gear position, fuel capacity, real-time and average fuel economy, water temp, clock, and many more, all presented in a high contrast display. You should expect a super sport ergonomic sa ride na to. With its race-inspired cockpit, ang seat height ay nasa 32.9 inches and has a total weight of 187 kilograms. Naka-semi-aggressive forward position ka dito sa ride na to. Pero dahil sa kanyang slender design and narrowness, naka-full tuck ang pwesto mo dito. It provides optimal hip and knee positioning. The tank sucks in your knees quickly due to its deep knee pocket design and will maintain a firmly planted feeling in corners, plus sturdy body hold under braking. At the heart of this bike is a very capable 689cc parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crankshaft. It can produce a top power output of 73 horsepower and can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.27 seconds and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.43 seconds. The Yamaha R7 is based on the same platform as the Yamaha MT-07 and uses the same CP2 engine. It has a 6-speed manual transmission and comes equipped with a multiple wet clutch with assist and slipper clutch. Ginawa nitong mas suwabe ang transmission and reduces clutch load by 20%. It is fuel injected with a fuel tank capacity of 15 liters and a gas consumption of 24 kilometers per liter. It is equipped with an anti-lock braking system with a front hydraulic disc brake at 298 millimeters and rear hydraulic disc brake at 245 millimeters, which provides more than enough potent braking power and also delivers optimized braking pressure for linear delivery para sa napakagandang performance and controllability. Dahil ang target audience ng ride na to is super sport forward and expected na gamitin sa twisty roads and racetracks, sinamahan nito ni Yamaha ng telescopic fork suspension sa harap na adjustable ang preload, rebound, and compression. At sa rear ay may link-type monocross shock na adjustable naman ang preload and rebound. So you can make the necessary changes based on what you need. Front tire ay 120 by 70 ZR17 and sa rear tire naman ay 180 by 55 ZR17. Both Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport. The Yamaha R7 is a super kick-ass ride that rips on the road. And siguradong masasatisfy ang inyong need for speed. Bagay na bagay sa real-world street rider na gusto din ng aggressive, all-out super sport look. It is priced at 569,000 pesos. And so far, the Yamaha R7 colors comes in Yamaha Black and Icon Blue.
Hello guys! Yamaha R7. Ngayon, nakahiram na naman tayo ng motor. Tara, tagay natin.
Overall, I am super satisfied to test the Yamaha R7. It was a fun-filled, thrilling experience na talagang unforgettable, as it was my first time to ride a super sport type of bike. Though I didn't push the bike to its limit, I can definitely say it is built to fulfill every rider's need for speed. Power and acceleration is definitely there, and you can really vibe the super sport feeling. Feeling karerista kumbaga. Handling is superb and braking or stopping power is ample. Sarap dalhin at paanda rin ng ride na to sa open road and take on wide twisties. And the fact na racetrack ready na siya, complete package na talaga para sa mga adrenaline junkie na type of riders. Masasabi ko lang din talaga na di ako sanay sa aggressive na riding position. Since I have back problems, I don't see myself bringing this for long rides. That's just me since mas prefer ko ang touring with a relaxed sitting position. And another thing I noticed is random mo yung mga slight bumps sa road. Pero sa smooth and asphalt road condition, para kang lumulutang habang tumatakbo. Nakakatuwa. Grabe. Sana may chance ulit ako na masakyan to. Actually, nakakamiss. Nai-imagine ko sa expressway to for a quick ride and coffee while hanging out with your friends. Masayang gumawa ng masayang alaala gamit ang Yamaha R7. So, gang dito na lang muna guys. Thank you so much for watching and continue to watch more of my videos. This is Throttle Phi na nag-iiwan ng mensahe na great men are not born great, they grow great. See you on the next upload. Peace out.